Greetings, everyone. This is Bill. Although it's been tough sledding in the market of late, I hope everyone is ready to have a prosperous and healthy 2022. Today we are talking stock investing, and I'm going to continue my series of videos of 8 stocks associated with the Metaverse by presenting the 5th stock that I personally own and currently hold, which I believe are poised to be a significant player in the Metaverse. While I'm certainly not a financial advisor, I will hope to present you with some data so that if you're looking for investments within the Metaverse arena, perhaps one or more of these are worthy of your consideration. The small cap company we will be discussing today is an augmented and virtual reality hardware company with its beginnings hatched in military training, which focuses primarily on smart glasses. With their visionary applications, they remain heavily involved in military and medical training, security, logistics, and even robotic surgery. That company is Vuzix, which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol VUZI. Now, I did a video on Vuzix back in May of last year, which I will link to in the description below. I was high on the company then, and even though the stock is considerably down from the time of that recording, I'm still fired up about what lies ahead for this exciting company. Is this current drop a great opportunity for you to invest in the company? Well, let's learn more about Vuzix. Over at TipRanks, they describe Vuzix as follows. Quote, Vuzix Corp engages in the design, manufacture, marketing, sale, and supply of augmented reality wearable display devices. Its products include personal display and wearable computing devices that offer users a portable viewing experience, provide solutions for mobility, wearable displays, and virtual and augmented reality. The firm's solutions include Vuzix Basic Apps, VIP Program, Remote Support, Telemedicine, and Warehouse Logistics, end quote. According to the Vuzix website, there are 4 main areas the company highlights as industry use cases: healthcare, manufacturing, warehousing, and field service. We can see how the company sees their impact on these sectors. The lightweight and durable, quote, best-in-class glasses, end quote, allow manufacturers, field service, and healthcare workers to improve productivity by, quote, letting them access critical content with AR displays, document steps, and resolve issues, and live stream remote support, all hands-free, end quote. Over on the company blog, we find that Vuzix was a recent presenter at CES, the most influential tech event in the world, which aims to present the trends shaping the technology of tomorrow. As we engage the Metaverse, Vuzix noted, quote, the Metaverse meets real world at CES, and Vuzix is at the heart of it. Why? Because we're making real to people, in a practical sense, how they can connect with the Metaverse. It starts with slipping on a pair of sleek, lightweight Vuzix Shield smart glasses, end quote. The company reported comments from the demonstration line stated in summarization, quote, this is amazing. I didn't know anyone could do this. And you're light years of anything else I've seen here. They're the comments that the company's hearing over and over again. Now that's the type of product I want to be invested in. Now looking at the technicals, which I do consider very important, we find that over at TipRanks, the SMART score for Vuzi is an impressive 8, signaling an outperform. Analyst ratings have a consensus of a strong buy, with investor sentiment bullish. Investor and hedge fund activity has recently increased. However, it is noted that investor sentiment over at TipRanks is very negative, but the average time frame of these investors is unknown and seemingly influenced by the recent price action. The average price target among 4 analysts covering the stock is $21.67, which represents a 188% increase from current price levels, which should grab your attention. There are 3 buy ratings among these 4 analysts covering the stock, with one having a price target of $30 per share. At investors.com, the composite rating for Vuzi is a very poor 12. It is important to note that emerging companies in future-oriented arenas without strong earnings are in the sweet spot of stocks hammered in the recent market environment. Vuzix is certainly one of those, but a new agreement with Verizon shows the company is making progress. In any event, When the shorts lose control and the current downdraft exhausts, I suspect growth stocks will come back into favor and the whipsaw will be epic. IBD rates Vuzi weak across the board in terms of earnings per share, relative strength, and group relative strength. Like we mentioned in covering the Glimpse Group, another stock in this series we like, given these ratings, the past performance would suggest that you take a pass on investing here with Vuzi. But there is strong accumulation noted, so it does appear that money is getting back in and betting on the future. And why not? Because things seem to indicate that smart glasses may become the new phone over the next decade. Count me in. Now we can see in a chart from tradingview.com that Vuzi is currently trading at a low not seen since the stock's strong breakout in late 2020. Now this is a key support level for the stock to hold here. The next thing we want to watch for is for the stock to break this current downtrend. And a pivot point for that is coming as the first quarter ends. If Vuzi can bounce higher, it would need to move through the 950 range to get into position to make a move toward prior highs. If Vuzi successfully can make that move with volume, a run to approximately $30, which is incidentally where we have a TipRanks analyst initiated price target, is in that range. In addition, similar to other stocks we have mentioned in our series, although this is purely speculative, it should be noted that Vuzi, with their industry-leading optical AR solutions coupled with their small market cap, could well be considered a candidate for a buyout by one of the larger tech players hoping to step up their game in the metaverse. So folks, Vuzix is a stock that we really like and have been adding to during this weakness. What are your thoughts on the stock? Please make some comments to express your opinion, as we would appreciate taking those opinions under consideration. Well, folks, please help us out with a like if you enjoyed our presentation on Vuzix, and do consider following us on Facebook at Future Breakout. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye out to join us as we continue our Metaverse series. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. So folks, Vuzix is a stock that we really like and have been adding to during this weakness. What are your thoughts on the stock? Please make some comments to express your opinion, as we would appreciate taking those opinions under consideration. Well, folks, please help us out with a like if you enjoyed our presentation on Vuzix, and do consider following us on Facebook at Future Breakout. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye out to join us as we continue our Metaverse series. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.